If you have been feeling stuck lately, not tired, not lazy, just this quiet heaviness in your life that you can't really explain, then stay with me for a moment. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the real reason of why this happens and the 4 shifts that helped me feel like myself again and change my life in just 1 month. Here, I'm not sharing theory, I'm sharing what pulled me out of the ugliest mental fog of my life. For the past couple of years, on the outside, my life looked great. If I had to rate it, it was 9 out of 10. My career was growing, my channel was growing, and I was also growing in each and every area of my life. People thought I was doing great, even the closest people to me. But inside, I was numb. Like I was living but not really here, doing everything but not connected to any of it. And then something personal happened to me last month. It literally stopped me and forced me to look at what was going inside me, like really inside me. When I did that, it finally made sense of why I was like that. So if you're waking up heavy or showing up for yourself but not really feeling yourself in it, I know that place and I've stayed in that for too long. But what I'm about to share with you is exactly what shifted everything for me. First, let's start with the truth that nobody says out loud. But before that, I'm Kach and I've been building this channel while figuring out life just like you. Not perfectly, but in a real way. So if you're trying to get your life together too, subscribe to my channel and join this amazing community who's always supporting each other. And let's grow through this one step at a time. Done? Thank you so much. Moving on. Now, let me ask you something. Why do you wake up tired even when you slept okay? Why does every day feel the same way even when nothing is wrong? And why does nothing feels exciting even when your life looks fine on the paper? Let me tell you the truth. Your body is waking up with the old emotions that never got to release. Stress, pressure, fear, guilty, worry, overthinking, spiraling, and a lot more. Some of these didn't start this year or last year. Some started 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years ago. And your body remembers all of them. Your brain stores emotions like files. And when you feel something long enough, your body remembers it and repeats it automatically. So even when you want to start fresh, change your life or reset your life or achieve your goals, your body pulls you back into what was familiar. That's exactly why you feel stuck. Not because you're unmotivated, not because you lack discipline, not because you're slow, not because of anything. You feel stuck because your body is living in the past while your mind is trying to move forward. But here's the hopeful and good part. The moment your body feels something new, even for a few seconds, you interrupt the old pattern. The tiny shift becomes the opening to step out of the old version of you. And that's what this 4 shift starts, a whole new state inside you. When you feel off or stuck in your life, don't run from it. Don't distract yourself. Don't push it away. Just pause and ask, what am I feeling right now? Sad, overwhelmed, restless, scared, guilty, lost? Just name it. Because the moment you name that emotion, you step out of it for a second. You're not drowning it anymore. You are observing and noticing that emotion. And that one moment breaks the autopilot that your body is stuck in. And this is your first point of control. This one shift changed everything for me. When you catch that old feeling pulling you back, give your body a new feeling to feel. And I want you to pick one emotion that you want to feel for the next 30 days. Calm, confidence, clarity, peace, motivation, self-respect, or any positive feeling. And close your eyes for 60 seconds and feel that emotion like it's already yours. It'll feel fake in the beginning. That's okay. Your body doesn't care if it's real or fake. It only learns through repetition and consistency. Every time you do this, your brain gets the message. Oh, we are not living in the old emotion state anymore. This is the doorway to your future self. Here's something no one tells you. You become your future self before your habits even change. So ask yourself, if the future version of me walked into this moment right now, how would she handle it? Would she talk to herself the way that you're talking right now? Would she collapse into that emotion that you're feeling? Would she let that one bad moment decide her entire day? Or would she choose what you're about to choose? These questions, they don't just make you think differently, they make you show up as well differently. When you act like the future version of you, even for a few moments, your body learns a new pattern. A lot of people in the comments were asking me, how are you so confident? How can you talk so confident? But I am not confident. I am not this person. But I want to be this person, so I'm behaving like that person even in this moment. That's the difference. And this is exactly how you shift your whole identity. Now, this is the most important shift out of all. Pick one area of your life that actually matters. Health, money, peace, relationships, routines, whatever it is. Then choose one small action that changes your old identity. Not a habit, not a checklist, a tiny identity shift. If the old you avoided discomfort, then do something that's slightly uncomfortable but important. If you leave something halfway, then finish something fully. If money overwhelms you, start tracking and start saving. Each anchor action tells your brain, we don't live like that anymore. Do this daily, even imperfectly, your life starts shifting without even you forcing it. Now, let me tell you this, you'll still have the days where you slip back and go back into that old version of yourself. And that's very normal. And then go back to the emotion that you want to feel. Confidence, calm, grounded, hope, clarity, whatever it is. Even if you stop and feel it for a few seconds, you will break the old loop. So don't think that you're failing when this happens. Your body is just familiar with the old you. And let me be honest, becoming your higher version of yourself is a constant effort that you have to put every single day for years and years, or else you'll be stuck. And if you're still here, you are ready more than you ever were. Not for some dramatic transformation or complete makeover, just gently and in a real way. The kind that makes you feel a little more of yourself every day. So start small, start slow, start with how you exactly want to feel inside, and that alone can change you so much. So if you're doing this with me and also along with so many other people in this community, comment unstuck below. We all will do it together. You might be thinking, why is she asking me to comment all the time? Why do I ask it? To know that you are not just watching this video, you are showing up for yourself. That means a lot. And remember once again, you are not stuck. You have just been repeating an older version of you because that was familiar and safe, and that's all. The moment that you stop choosing that version, you are giving the space for the version that you want to become. You have got this, and I trust you so much that you will do it for the next 30 days and see your life change. Thank you so much for joining in, and if this video helped you, share it with your friends, family, with anyone that you care about, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.